looking for someone who can make your memories more shine and memorable? Then let me help you to turn your captured moment into timeless treasure. Hi, this is Aru, a professional picture editor with over 5 years of experience in wedding and event photography. I offer a wide range of picture editing service including lighting and exposure adjustment, color correction and color grading, skin retouching by removing blemishes, background enhancement and unwanted object removal from the background, noise reduction from picture, photo culling by selecting best picture from the gallery. To ensure a seamless experience, I offer a complimentary sample edit of 10% before you place an order. So don't waste your time looking further and simply contact me, share your gallery and tell me your requirements, and let's start turning your wedding or event picture into timeless treasure. Thank you.